That's Mr. Johnson showing you how you can manually adjust torch height. Mr. Johnson is one of our senior salesmen. Here we're showing you the basic torch retract as well as torch down locator. And as you see, it's finished. It's your start button, control on, up, down, auto manual, on off. That is your 10-turn potentiometer for speed, e-stop, and your metering device. This is the basic hand control that the operator will be working with as e-stop, unclamp, hold, basic one start stop button. The hands must, both hands must close here. Once the operator hits both buttons, that will tell the machine it's ready to go. That also ensures that the operator's hands are not in the work envelope.